What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is LJ and this is NoClutch Garage, and today we're going to do something to my car that I've been waiting to do for a really long time. And actually I think a lot of you guys will be interested in this upgrade, so let's get right to it. Today we're going to be replacing the paddle shifters in my car. Now if you guys have been keeping up with my Instagram, then you kind of already know the paddles that I'm putting on here. I am actually really excited for this because I've been looking forward to it for a really long time. Those are the paddles I'm getting installed. They are by Arkk Performance, a company based out of the UK. And let's see how they fit. So huge shout out to EuroMpire for always having my back and always assisting me in any need that I have, whether it's a DIY thing that I have to do or just any kind of support. This is actually probably one of the first jobs that Matt's gonna be doing for me out of the shop, and I'm really looking forward to it.
I realized while looking back through my clips that I totally forgot to record the part where we removed the airbag. The first thing you want to do is get a screwdriver and insert it underneath the paddles. There is a hole on each side of the steering wheel. This will allow you to unclip the airbag and remove it safely. Once you have removed the airbag, just unplug the airbag as shown here. To remove the paddles, you need to unscrew the screw holding the paddle. Once the screw is removed, you must also disconnect the paddles from the blue connectors.
Look at the old baby paddles right here compared to the new ones. And this is really nice aluminum too. I cannot wait. So what are we doing right now?
So we're just going to push this pin out in here.
Oh, yeah.
And then it's spring loaded, so you just kind of want to guide it. It's hooked on the back. These little hooks that go into those little hooks there. And that's that. And they supply.
So that's essentially the switch, right?
Yeah. Yep. The switch is actually right here. Now this is a part that actually kind of gets a little tricky because a lot of the manufacturers for these will do them different ways. There we go.
There we go. We found it.
That fits better. Taking this piece here, these little locking pieces here, and these little slides there. Slides in, just like that. And the cap slides on like that. Snug fit. Screw here, just like that. And back together, scoop it back into place here, keeping the spring into place. Pin goes back in. Guess it only goes in one way. That one's done.
Look at that. Man, that looks so much better than the original.
Back to the car.
So you put the cable through there.
Yep, line it up, make sure the pin's lined up and the wires through this hole here. We'll put the screw right in here. And we plug it back in. And tuck the wire back down where it belongs. Making sure that the plate for the horn still moves. Not interfering with anything. It's that easy.
Everything got plugged in. Airbag gets plugged in.
That's it.
And that's it. Thanks, man.
My pleasure.
So the reason that Matt is doing this for me is partly because of the difficulty of having to take the steering wheel apart, and I'm sure I could do it, but I'd rather have someone that has already done this before do it for me. The other thing is that Matt was gracious enough to actually sponsor this part for me. I really truly appreciate him for doing this. It gives me an opportunity to both put on a product from a company that I love and have the shop that I get most of my advice from go ahead and work on my car. I actually have a few other plans for this car where he's going to be doing the work for me. Like I said before in my previous videos, you need to find a shop that is going to be able to have that trust in you, and a shop that you're going to have a trust in order to work together and help each other. Alright guys, I want to thank Matt over here at EuroMpire for helping me install these paddles. Thank you, bro.
My pleasure, man.
Thank you for having my back.
Absolutely.
He's been great throughout this process and helping get my channel up and off the ground. So huge shout out to him, and thank you very much. That has been it for this video, and I'm sure you will see his face a lot more because this is the only shop that I go to. So we'll see you later, guys. Thank you for stopping by. If you liked the video, go ahead and click like, go ahead and click subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you like the paddles or if you want me to do something else to my car. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.